Hey, how much abundance do you believe that is available in nature for you? So today is about a star fruit. Have you come across to this fruit? This is the ripe one and this is the green one, obvious. So it is an awesome fruit. It's like a little bit sour, and there is this like a sweet and bitterness flavor. I like to cut like this in a long way and like small pieces and put in a salad. I'll make chutney out of that. You can also put in your curry, your stir fry, and of course jams. I'm not so much into jams because if you eat jam, well, I need bread to eat jam. I don't eat jam on its own, and then there is sugar. But if you make jam, my suggestion is add sultanas and dates. And on the stir fry, on the chutney also is great. And one way that I like is just cut them like a really thin, like this, in a star shape. And then dehydrate them until the consistency of like an apricot. And then dip half in a dark chocolate. And then you tell me if it's good. Okay? And well, there are zillions of properties. People say it's good for your blood pressure, it's good for lower your blood pressure, for diabetes, for people with insomnia, blah, 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 blah. I'm not into this thing like I eat just because I'm sick. I like eat a little bit of everything, so there is a diversity in my biology too. And have fun. What else I was going to say? Mega rich in vitamin C. I was wondering if it's good to make the juice and wash our face with it, because you know we can make with papaya, we can make with avocado, aloe vera. So why not the star fruit? I don't know if you know something about it. Let me know. And if you want to know more about tips on living simple, gardening, personal development, just let me know. Subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. Thank you. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.